Hello buddies, and welcome to our videos. And this is Henry Intelligent Block Machine Manufacturer, and we are the professional block machine manufacturer. And this model now you are seeing now, the model's name of this particular block machine is the QT4-20 fully automatic hydraulic block making machine. And this block machine will be loaded into the container just now, and will be shipped to Uganda. It's ordered by my workmates, whose name is Miss Ada. Miss Ada supplied a very good service to this customer who is from Uganda, the African countries. This is her telephone number. If you need another block machine, you can try to get in touch with this WhatsApp number. And this view is from the both sides view. And over there you see now is the concrete material hopper will be loaded concrete material into the cut hole. And you can see our this one we call it balance keeping. The bearings for the function of the bearings for keep the the machine go up and down to be at the same level, the balance. You can see our shaft, very good quality. And you see our welder, the welding location is very smooth and stable. It can keep the machine using life to be very long. And what you see now here is the block mode. The yellow part is the block mode. It's hollow blocks mode, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can produce 5 pieces of hollow blocks at one go. And you can see the reinforcement. Very nice. And painting is beautiful. And you can see our the material, the steel material we take use, the thickness you can try to imagine the thickness. And also the frame, the machine frame, nice, very strong. Okay. It will be loaded into the container now. Now we have the two pieces of 40 feet container. They are ready for loading. Okay.